Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to insert a signature line in Microsoft Word. If we are creating professional documents, contracts, or forms that need a signature, this tutorial is for us. On our Microsoft Word document, if we want to insert a signature line, all we have to do is go to the Insert option in the toolbar at the top. Once we click Insert, we will see the Signature Line option under the Text tab. We just need to click on Signature Line, and then we can enter a name. We can also add a title and an email address, depending on our preferences. Once we are done filling in the details, we simply click OK. As we can see, the signature line has now been added to our document. We can move it, resize it, or customize it to fit our needs. We can also add a handwritten or digital signature by double-clicking the signature line in the document. This makes it easy to sign documents digitally or prepare them for a printed signature. And that is how we insert a signature line in Microsoft Word.